Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, it has been a month since I did grass cutting on my backyard, and today when I come, this is what I find. Oh my god, this is absolutely mess. Absolute mess. Thank god I have a grass cutter, but what I would suggest to all homeowners that try to do it regularly. Otherwise you will end up creating a mess like this. Thanks to my neighbors that in my front yard when they cut the grass they cut for me also, so I don't have to do any cutting over there. But here in my backyard this is absolute mess, and I don't want anybody to go through the situation like this. I see lot of flies, insects everywhere, and now I have to cut through this. Thank god I have something that can do it efficiently. And see this, horrible this is. Anyway, I'm gonna start now, and if possible I'll show you the end. So guys, finally I'm through. You can compare before and after. It was very tiring job, although I was doing it with the machine. Still some this end is remaining, but that's gonna be pretty quick. Almost everything is done. So guys, do this task regularly, otherwise you will end up like me. Thanks for watching.